What's going on, everybody? Rob here, aka Trev2323. We're gonna do a little video on this boat button. Haha, you heard of lawnmower started right when I started my video, right? But these boat buttons right here, you're not supposed to drive with your canvas on, because if you drive with your canvas on, the wind is gonna snap these buttons and pop these buttons, and it might take out the whole screw right here, and then you're gonna have that slapping on the fiberglass, not knowing until you get where you're at. So we got a 4-minute drive, but part of it is over an overpass, and with that overpass we go ahead and some of them actually loosen up. A couple times some of them popped out, but what I wanted to show you how to get these on is you could buy these online, and they're so much cheaper than buying them at your local marina, believe me. So we bought like 25 of these, but you could try screwing them back in place because they do screw into the fiberglass. But we use JB Weld with the self mixers, the JB Weld with the self mixers. So if you got a couple of them loose, go ahead and fill it. Now this one right here from the factory wasn't all the way screwed in, but it's really tight, so we haven't had to do that. But so on like 4 of them, we JB welded back into place. One of them dropped in the water, that's why we had to buy the extra one. But these are just the boat buttons to the boat canvas. Now you're not supposed to drive with this on, so if you're buying a boat and you're going to haul it from A to B, take these off right here and take your cushions out, because if you don't, your cushions are going to wind up on the side of the road, and once these buttons pop, your whole ride back, you hear that? They're going to be slapping your whole ride back. That's why you're not supposed to drive with this on. But if they do snap off, get yourself some JB Weld with the self mixers, and you could JB weld in, because sometimes if it pulls out too hard, this fiberglass hole will be a little bit too wide for you to screw it in. So either way, just want to let you know about that. Don't drive with that canvas on if you're going far, but if you do get one of these popped out, you could buy them offline cheaper than at a marina. But JB weld them in if you can't get it screwed in. Talk to you later. Bye bye.